In the name of Allah, King Trust and Person, Master Muhammad, to all praise to forever. Whereas the Lord of Allah, the most honorable Muhammad's last great messenger. And we thank forever our leader and teacher, the Honorable Ms. Rex, where I greet everybody with the greetings of peace of Assalamu alaikum. To all of you who don't know what other, that means peace be unto you, because we are the righteous of today.
Yes, sir.
My name is Rahim, Brother Rahim, here a member of the Nation of Islam of Canada. We're to share with you a few words and to explain why sometimes we don't talk.
That's right.
We have a teaching in this time we're living today that speaks for itself.
Yes, sir.
Speaks about volumes of different things, and as we go through our life, pushing the program in the black community, we see that it doesn't equal to anything that you have.
Yes, sir.
So each one of us come in front of you to come and speak about different things so that you know that we have a lot of things in here.
Yes, sir. That's right.
A lot of things in here, but it's not always our time to go and speak all the time about all of these different subjects.
Right. That's right.
But just to let you know that we have something in our head. This afternoon, this evening, we're going to speak about the program that help us here in Nation of Canada to stand for over 21 years.
Yes, sir. That's right.
Which is the economy given to us by the most honorable Muhammad.
Yes, sir. Right.
So, because you all don't know anything about honorable Muhammad,
right,
you're going to go and read something from him first.
Yes, right. That's right.
We're going to take it from the book, The Message to the Black Man. I'm not even going to show the book because we're always showing the book all the time.
That's right. That's right.
Go and buy it, download it, and read it for yourself.
That's right. That's right.
Chapter 84 on the economic program to help fight against poverty and want.
Yes, sir. That's right.
I appeal to all Muslims and to all members of the original black nation in America to sacrifice at least 5 cents from each day's pay to create economic saving program.
5 cents. Go ahead.
To help fight unemployment, abominable housing, hunger, and nakedness in the 22 million black people here in America who continue to face these problems. This is a big problem.
Yes, sir. That's right.
This is a big problem I just finished mentioning. 5 cents.
Yes, sir.
5 cents. You see why we don't speak now?
Yes, sir.
5 cents.
That's right.
We have how many? Where's our black community in Quebec? Where is it?
Yes, sir. That's right.
If we go on Google Map, where's the black community?
That's right. Anywhere. Yes, sir.
We've been working 21 years all in Montreal, and every time we have to go in pockets to find black people.
Yes, sir. That's right. That's right.
PNF and Robert now, it doesn't exist anymore.
That's right.
Where are all those people?
That's right.
There's no black community.
That's right.
Oh, where's Little Italy? Oh, Little Italy's over there.
That's right.
Where's the Lebanon? Little Lebanon's over there.
That's right. That's right.
Where's the Jewish community? Everywhere.
Yes, sir. Chinatown.
The black community, where is it?
Go ahead.
Number one, we don't have that.
We don't have that.
That's number one. Now, to the problem of the 5 cents.
Yes, sir.
Which of you, so-called in the black community, Haitian, Congolese, Cameroon, St. Vincent, Barbados, any of you from the islands or Africa, which one of you save 5 cents and have something in the black community?
Yes, sir.
I take the bus often. Just coming down here, say, let me see if we're going to see any businesses for the black community. None.
That's right.
Past many businesses of Cafe for Italian.
That's right.
Past many churches that we don't get nothing from it.
That's right. That's right.
Every time we go there, we put our money. Every time that we have a program on Sunday, they have something else during the week, there's always an envelope.
Always. That's right.
And that envelope never have your name on it.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
So you put more than 5 cents in the church and you get zero.
Zero. That's right. That's right.
Check. Every time that when it comes to us in the black community to have money in our pocket, it always ends up through the holes.
Yes, sir. That's right. Wait. Yes, sir.
Through the holes of TPS,
Go ahead.
Quebec, homeless, everybody except ourselves.
Yeah, that's right.
When we go to all the other different communities, They always have some sort of circle.
Yes, sir. That's right.
Because Elijah Muhammad teaches that the universe is circle.
Yes, sir.
So the economy for the Jewish community is in a circle.
Yes, sir.
It goes here, it goes around this way.
Go on this way.
China, Asiatic, same thing. Circle.
Yes, sir. Circle. That's right.
Italian community, circle. Arab community, circle.
Yes, sir.
Us, we don't know where it is. It's still somewhere up in the universe.
Yes, sir.
That's 5 cents we cannot do.
Yes, sir. That's right.
5 cents.
That's right.
He's talking about this in 1973, 1974.
1973. Yes, sir.
5 cents, we haven't done it yet.
No, not yet.
And we're the problem. We're the racists. We're the ones that are polygamists.
That's right.
We're much better than you then.
Right.
If we can have a program of 5 cents and you can't even do that with your church
Yes,
and everything that you're doing.
That's right. That's right.
It's a big problem, brothers and sisters.
Big problems.
And the big problem is we don't want to get in our head, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work. Yes, sir. That's right.
It doesn't work. We go through our life, we see, and we're always looking for new solutions of how to get more money. Looking for a better job here, looking for a better job and different things. This is good. You want to better your life, you want to do this, that, and the other, but you never do it properly the way other people do it.
Yes, sir. That's right.
People have money, you don't do it the way they do it.
That's right. That's right.
One of the biggest things that we always make a mistake is we always reverse the way that we spend our money.
Yes, sir.
Instead
That's
of
right.
getting something that's going to make money for ourselves, we put the things that goes and empties out our pocket.
That's right. Nice car.
Expensive car, depreciate when you put your big behind on it.
That's right. That's right.
Shoes,
big
clothes,
$200-300
$300 worth of food,
big hair,
and it's all gone into a toilet bowl.
That's right. Big hair. Big hair.
All of these things doesn't help us.
Yes, sir.
But
That's right.
the smartest thing that Elijah Muhammad teaches us, you're going to hear that a lot, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
Elijah Muhammad teaches us, the best thing to have first is a home, a fine home. Why would he say that?
Yes, sir.
To get a fine home. Because every time you have a home, it appreciates,
yes,
not depreciates.
That's right.
It goes up, not down.
Yes, sir.
When you sell it in 5 years, you make money from a house.
Yes, sir. That's right.
So you buy those things first, and then all things will come onto you.
Yes, sir.
But these are the things that we have in our problem because we're waiting for somebody to come and change all of our problems once again. All the time, the same old excuses. This person, it's either Jesus is going to come or now the Arabs are not saying Jesus is going to come too.
Yes, sir. That's right.
When are we going to stop begging for somebody to come when there's something already been done?
Yes, sir.
Something already been done? Okay, you didn't know yet? This is a reprint from 1973.
73. That's right.
Message to Muhammad Speaks from the Amalek Muhammad, December 21st, 1973.
Yes, sir.
Let's see what he did with his 5 cents.
Go ahead.
Let's see.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Let's look here. Office space available. Oh, you have place where you can get office space.
Yes, sir.
So you want us to be business-minded people.
Yes, sir.
This is good.
Go ahead.
Shabazz Market. Oh, we had a market also.
Yes,
We had a grocery store.
That's right.
All this 1973.
That's right.
Bakery. Oh, we took care of our brothers and sisters and we made sure that they had good bread.
Good bread. Go ahead.
Even if you go more into his history, you find something that's called your bread.
Yes, sir.
Why does he call it your bread?
That's right.
Look it up and see.
Yes, sir.
What other stuff do we have in here? All this, brother and sister, 1973.
Yes, sir.
Not coming to 2018 as yet, because there's nothing to talk about.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Yes. Go ahead, sir.
So much different things.
Yes, sir.
Let's see.
2 years before the time.
We have boots on sale from the Temple number 2. So they were selling clothes.
Yes, sir. That's right.
We had a radio station, WLIB.
Yes, sir.
Sunday afternoon at 2 p.m.
Yeah. Radio station.
Even our mighty sisters had their own clothing store called the MGT National Clothing Factory.
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 So when we go going and killing ourselves on our back, at least it came to our own pocket.
Yes, sir.
And definitely last but not least, it looks small, huh? Because it's too many to put in big.
That's right.
It's all of these things here.
Wow.
Each one of these different places is places where we said that our children must learn how to better themselves and love themselves more.
Yes,
so
sir.
we decided to go and put places where they can go and educate themselves and learn from small how to be good and strong black men and black women.
Yes, sir.
Which we call university.
Yes, sir.
We don't call it preschool, we don't call it CJ, we don't call it in between school, we call it university.
Yes, sir.
Our children have to think big from the beginning so that when they get older, they're already up there.
Yes, sir.
The Asian community do it, they go to school 6 days a week.
Yes, sir.
Jewish community, they always have school upon school upon school.
Yes, sir.
72 of them.
72.
That's right.
5 cents saving, 5 cents.
That's right.
5 cents, brothers and sisters. Is there really much to talk about?
Go ahead.
That's right.
Is there much to talk about, brother and sister? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
That we ourselves are so much in the wrong.
Yes,
what
sir.
are you doing better than that?
That's right.
We asking everybody 5 cents to put together.
Like,
The Haitian community put together money. Why? What if a disaster strike?
that's right.
That's right.
Earthquake come, that's when we remember Haiti.
That's
Many of
right.
us come here to Quebec and we forget everybody that's over there.
That's right.
So where's all that money go to? IGA. This person. Mercedes Benz.
Yes, sir.
This, that, and the other. So where in this time we're living today, that we're going to have something that we're going to say, okay, we're going to use this, and it's going to benefit everybody.
That's right.
If you had a market, if you had this university, if you had all of these things, not all of, you can't be thinking about it's only Muslims that supported that.
That's right.
That's right.
Think a little bit. It's not just Muslims that supported that, everybody was supporting that. We even had complexes where we had people to,
Yes, sir.
to live.
Yes, sir.
Apartment building.
Apartment building, yes, sir.
1960s, 1970s.
Yes, sir.
Documented. If you are good on the computer, you're not old at 81 years old, afraid of the computer, go look it up.
Go ahead.
That's right. That's right.
Now you have to go to a library for it.
That's right.
It's all on your fingertips. You can do it right now while you're watching.
Now, that's right. Land, farm land.
In this time we're living today, once again we show you, we have all of these religion and it gives us nothing.
Nothing.
That's right.
We have all of these beliefs, wanting to go other country, Africa, to go build, to go and better our life. We have nothing in it.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Because don't think how we can use something that's already been done.
Yes, sir.
Something that's already been done.
That's right.
We are here, Muhammad's Temple number 2, Nations Islamic Canada, Final Honorable Muhammad, because we're looking at the example.
Yes, sir.
We came, we didn't know how to do anything.
That's right.
So we said, okay, since we don't know, a smart person sees we don't know what they're doing, they go and follow what the person already did.
Yes, sir.
So we did all of those things, let me just try it.
Yes, sir.
Right.
This is somebody intelligent. Not fight with ignorance, I don't know what it is, because it says Islam, it's Islam, it's Islam. This is why people call us necrophiliac, Negro.
Negro, yes, sir.
That's right.
We always think with our emotion. We don't think with our head.
Yes, sir.
As many times that we go to school, we don't think with our head. Brothers and sisters, all of these things that is shared to you, we talk about it all the time.
Yes, sir.
That's
Talk about
right.
all of these different things that we could be able to, thank you. All of these things that we can do for better for ourselves. We show you from different programs we do every year.
Yes, sir.
Yearly routine. We show you.
That's right.
We don't ask for any money from the Prime Minister. You can call him and ask him.
Yes, sir.
You can go and ask Kuya for asking for money. We didn't ask him for no money.
That's right.
The representatives here in St. Michel, if we asked them for money, we didn't ask nobody for money.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
How we did is pull our own resources for you Orthodox Muslim followers like Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad was poor, so in order to support it, all the poor people put their money together to make sure that he would be able to go and push the program that Allah come to give to him. We do the same thing here.
Yes, sir.
Put our money together, and 21 years passed.
right.
That's right.
We don't even have to do the 5 cents, because we have businesses.
Well, business, yes,
We don't
sir.
have to do 5 cents.
Go ahead.
You gotta start with 5 cents though, because you're not doing nothing.
I think. Sir.
This is why a lot of times we don't talk.
Sir.
This is why. Because it's not time to talk anymore.
Yes, sir.
It's time to
That's right.
Even me, I'm studying to try to figure out how to do something better with money.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Even myself, even learning about those things. Because there's no room for a non-improvement. There's no room not to change and do better, for instance.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
We invite you to come.
Go ahead.
Not have to follow, just come and listen
Listen.
to the program Abed Muhammad.
That's
Let
right.
go of the internet information. Let go of your other friends' information. Get it from as they say in English, the horse's mouth.
Go ahead.
Get it from the person themselves that actually follow it and know for sure. And know professionals that follow program Abed Muhammad. There's many things that we can do in the black community, but we got a pool.
That's right. Yeah.
That's the economy of Ahmad Muhammad. It's to pool our money, pool our money. Stop letting it go this way. Make it go this way among ourselves. The Haitian community, they can do it amongst themselves.
That's right.
St. Vincent can do it amongst themselves.
That's right.
What it takes, unity and pulling
That's
our
right.
money together.
For
We
sure.
have to build trust.
Go ahead.
That's right.
We have to build trust. If we don't build those things, we're going to end up going another 20 years down the line, and then unfortunately we'll be right back to zero.
Yes, sir.
So I thank you for this time and waiting for you to come to Mom 72.
Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
What's up?
Sound, sir.